Hi guys, here's a quick open box review and test of Flitz multi-purpose metal polishing paste. It works for metal, plastic, and fiberglass. Chemical provided by Germany and is actually manufactured in USA. Very good quality. I purchased this product 3 years ago. I'm gonna use it here and there and still in very good shape. Next, I'm gonna show the polishing test with my knife. This recipe is recommended by my knife manufacturer. You can see it's pretty dull and rusty. I'm gonna use the towel paper to polishing and also Flitz. I put a Flitz paste on one side and keep the other side not touching so we can compare almost like before and after. Just a simple motion, just scratch it. You can see all the dust and the black stuff on the towel paper. Keep scratching and keep polishing. Very simple. Now I put a second round of Flitz paste. I'm gonna change the corner of the towel paper and just keep polishing. Very simple. It's much better. I'm gonna do the third round and put some Flitzing paste one more time and just simply polishing until I'm satisfied. You can see now is one side is pure polish, the other side, which is the original side, is very dusty, very rusty. Compare one side to the other. Again, this product has been using over 3 years, still in very good shape. It's almost instant result and lasts long. I really like this product. 5 stars. Thank you.